I've got to go biking. But the pigeon gang, oh, there they go. Okay, now I can go. Remember that one time I said there's no bicycling infrastructure in Erie? I was mistaken. It's right here. I will show it to you right now. Here it is. We got a painted bike lane on one street. And we have some sharrows, I've heard them called. They're the bike arrows that is to suggest that you should share the road with the cyclists. Oh. Well, we've got that too up on 38th Street, and I've never seen a bicyclist on 38th Street. Here we go. Who's that on a bike up there? I'll bet you that's Dave. I'll bet it's Dave on his really cool belt drive priority bike with a pinion gearbox. And he's got a couple videos. You can find him at Life at 12 miles an hour. I don't know if he's still making them or not. But what he did make was cool. Maybe we'll try to catch him. Whoa, whoa, look out, bike lane. We did find Dave, and he's got his video out, and he's got his cool old Trek and not his priority bike. So there you are.
We like old bikes too.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing, Josh?
Great, how are you, buddy?
I'm hanging in there, man.
Cool, I was just catching up to somebody thinking it was you. The cool thing about a slow roll bike ride, it doesn't matter what kind of bike you got. Doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are. Today it's just us bunch of old dudes and Paul. He's not old. And you see nice stuff like Erie's beautiful waterfront. And it's cold as beans. Camaraderie, friendship. It's good stuff. One of the things about a slow roll bike ride in the cold is trying to work a camera with those guys.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, what's all this? Hey friends, what's the event?
Tattoo event.
Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah. Tattoo convention.
You were at the house and you told my wife I was in a bunker game.
Yeah.
And then you come home with a tattoo.
Well, here we are. We went on a slow roll bike ride the other night, and we were just tooling around, and we stopped and looked in the window and talking about this antique shop, and then two more people came along on their bikes that we knew, and we had ourselves just a dandy little time. So a slow roll bike ride is about friends, community, camaraderie, enjoying the beauty around you, talking about bikes, making friends with the nice folks on the internets. Thank you. Thanks for coming along with us. We appreciate it. I'm excited about the food part. And I mentioned before that most of Erie's bicycling infrastructure was, hey look, free umbrella. Dodgy shit. We were doing dodgy shit.
Yeah. You guys want to do some dodgy shit?
Go where we want to go.
See, wherever. We're going wherever, friends.
We did something and I thought, okay, that was the dodgy shit. Nope, come on, do it again.
we're gonna go have ourselves a look at mile 0 of the Erie to Pittsburgh Trail, which is maybe part of the Gap Trail or something.
Well, it's the same idea that it's a bike trail.
Oh, well there it is. Look at that, mile 0. Oh, hey look, there's the Erie's bicycle infrastructure right there.
Don't be such a cynic.
No, I know.
Do what you want, but you do you. I'm here to tell you, don't be such a cynic.
It's improving.
It is.
It's always improving. Look at there.
It's all kinds of infrastructure.
Right.
And you know what? The infrastructure is going to be just awareness. The more bicyclists there are, the more people are going to be aware of it and be less assholes. That's what I'm hoping on.
I'm gonna film Dave filming.
And I'm going to film
like,
No, don't never cross the streams. Don't cross the streams.
it just comes out of the button and
It's all about fun, friends. Just having a little fun. Okay, I've been kind of critical of Erie's bicycling infrastructure, and Tim has called me out. So we will go and look at it right now. There it is, a repair stand right at the public library. There's one in the park where we started. There's one on the peninsula. There's one at the Sisters Bike Co-op.
There's one in Wayne Park too.
There's one in Wayne Park, so I apologize. And there's a little thing that if you scan that, what's it say? Scan code for detailed repair instructions. We got bike infrastructure, I'm sorry. After this, we're gonna go get pizza. Because you gotta eat. Pedaling fuel. And I will admit that these like tour of Erie videos, I usually abandon them. They haven't had a good track record of working out for me. But I want to stick this one to the end, see what happens. This is Erie South Pier, where what happens is this connects Presque Isle Bay to Lake Erie, which is just up ahead there. And oh my gosh, there's so many seagulls. Like, I don't even know if you could get through. No birds were harmed in the filming of this film. Oh, we got 2 ducks down there too.
Oh, we're surrounded.
Ah! Whoa! I've used the bird feeder trick at the end of these videos enough times that you should know that I would never condone harming any of these birds. I'm just kind of messing with it. Get them up and moving, get their blood flowing, stay warm. This is uncalled for. This man has a battery-powered television to watch the sports ball game.
There you go. Talk about obsessed. Well, we don't want to do without.
What is happening?
We have the option. We have the option. We got it now.
They're still broadcasting over the airwaves?
Oh, yeah.
Pumpkins and fireworks in the trees.
Right, the aftermath.
The Steelers
Leftover pizza.
It'll be nice and cold when it gets home.